Go yard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing.
First, I will tell you a novel entitled The Little Prince. This novel tells the story of a pilot who, as a child, was disappointed with the response of adults to the drawings he made. In the next part is the part of the story where the pilot who has curled up meets a little prince when the plane he is piloting breaks down in the middle of the Sahara Desert. The little prince suddenly asked him to draw a ship. After the prince convinced him several times, the pilot complied with the little prince's request. There are many stories they share with each other. The little prince said that he was not from Earth, and there is one very special thing on the planet, namely a rose, which is the only one on the asteroid, and the prince was very interested in her, but the rose was very arrogant. Finally, the prince decided to leave the rose and the planet. This is the beginning of the prince's adventure on several planets in his search for answers about life. Before arriving on Earth, the little prince stopped at another planet which was inhabited by many adults who he thought were strange. On the first planet, the prince met an unfurling king, which he must be avoided. On the second planet, the prince met an arrogant and flattering man. On the third planet, the prince met a lazy drunkard. On the fourth planet, the prince met a businessman whose daily life is just counting the stars. On the fifth planet, the prince met a lantern worker who was tired of the Earth's rotational currents. And finally, he stopped. On the sixth planet, the prince met an art expert who didn't know what was on his planet because he does not have a single explorer. And it was on Earth that the little prince met many adults with various character and behavior, until finally the prince realized what he had to do with his life, namely returning to his planet and returning to protect the beautiful rose. Meanwhile, the pilot, he also experienced major change in his life after meeting the little prince. The two of them parted and lived their lives in their respective place, but what they have experienced in their search for the meaning of life has made them able to face their lives better. Next, the second time, I will tell you a novel entitled The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, written in 1876, is one of American author Mark Twain's best-loved and most read works. This novel tells the story of the adventures of a boy named Thomas Sawyer, usually called Tom, who lives with only on the banks of the Mississippi River. Tom Sawyer is a curly-haired boy who is naughty and loves adventure. He was always trying to escape from multiple strict rules and from his caution side, who was always watching him and ready to comply to his own. The clever Tom can always turn sadness into pleasures that sometimes make his friends jealous. Tom always had the sense to create his own adventures. Together with his loyal friends at Woodbury Finn, he explored forests and he visited Iceland and lost caves and even haunted house. And they experienced many exciting and intense adventures. The part of Tom and Huck's adventure is when they discover something very valuable, which immediately changed their lives completely. Lastly, I will tell you about my experience studying at Duta Bangsa University, Surakarta. At Duta Bangsa University, Surakarta, I majored in English. I have studied here for 2 months, or half of the first semester. The experience I got while studying here was quite pleasant. Starting from the campus environment, the cycle of friends, and also the lectures were quite good. Personally, I still like it, knowledge about the field of English. And after studying for 2 months, I think there has been an increase in English vocabulary. I am also quite easy to accept or understand English, but I still have difficulty speaking or communication in English. I am trying to improve my learning by understanding more about English vocabulary, grammar. At the same time, I will practice communication in English effectively, also that I also start to get used to it.